Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create the text for your Word using the Sketchbook app. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up a new document. So at the very top of your screen you're going to hit that little piece of paper sign that looks like a paper with some lines on it. So then once you hit that, you're going to get this text box. You're going to start with a new sketch. Once you hit the new sketch, you'll see that there's presets and there's a width and a height that you can choose. So what you're going to do is you're going to unlock that little link. See how I'm unlocking and locking it? Please unlock that link, and then you're going to type in 3300 and 2550 for the width and the height. This is going to change it so it's the same size as a piece of paper if you were to print this out on your home computer. Right? Then you're going to hit create. So now that I have my blank paper, I'm going to resize it and I'm just going to make it a little smaller so I can see the whole sheet of paper. Now what you're going to do is you're going to look for the big capital T at the top of the screen, and that is where the text is going to be found. So it's about right there. It's a capital letter T. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit that, and then it opens up a text box where you can type a letter in. So I'm going to be doing the word hope. So I'm going to be using the letter H. All right, to change what that letter looks like, I can hit the capital A with the little a right next to it, and I'm going to pick whatever one of these fonts that I would like to use. All right, so it could be any style that you like at all. There's a lot of them here. All right, so now I have my letter A. What I would like to do is I'm going to resize this A. So I'm going to be pinching the screen. And one thing I am not going to do is I'm not going to hit that blue done at the top of the screen. If you hit that, it's not going to let you edit it in here any longer. All right, so I'm first starting out by putting my H right there. And what I also want to do is I want to hit that color wheel, and I'm going to change the value of the color. All right, so pick whatever value you would like of the gray tone. So that L with that sliding bar, see if it's white, you can't see it anymore, you'll pick a tone that you would like to use. Once I hit done, it cements it down onto that page. I'm going to hit done now. All right, so now I have H. Now I'm going to repeat this for my next letter. So I'm going to hit that capital T, and now I'm going to put that letter in once again. I'm going to change my font to whatever I would like it to be. All right, and then I'm going to resize that O. And I'm going to change the value of it. All right, so I'm going to make this one darker. We're changing the different values of them so you can see that they are overlapping. All right, now since I'm done with that, now I'm going to hit done. Now I'm going to hit that text, the T again for text again. Now I'm going to do the P. You can use capitals or lower cases. Whatever you would like to do, you can do. All right, I'm going to resize the P. I'm going to change the value that I'm using for it. All right, and now I'm going to my last letter. I'm going to do the E, and maybe for this one I'll do a lowercase e. Since I can't see it, I can just move the E over to here, and I could say, oh, do I like that font? Which I think that font's fine. And I'm going to just change that value. I want it darker so I can see it a little bit more. Maybe make it completely black. All right, so now I have my word here. So if I finished my word and I said I really don't like that P, or I want to move that P, I can go back to this layer right here. I can cut, then I could hit paste, and it'll bring it back into that area where I can transform it and I can move it. All right, I could change the color of it if I would like to on here now, or if I would like to just change the value. See the HSL adjustment? It's the very bottom and it's in the center. If I hit that, this bottom area will let me change the value that that letter is. All right, and then I'm going to hit done. So this is the layout then that I would use, and in the next video I'll show you how to build a background on this.